Getting a chip on your windshield can be extremely annoying, especially when it can lead to this. But for a price of just £9.99, you can have it all cleared up in less than an hour, with no expertise needed. So there are many of these on the market, but for some reason this is the one I went for due to the upgrades that have been made on its design to help improve for 2020. Check out this product in the link in the description. There's all the info and links you need for each country. So to start off, you need to address what kind of crack you have, because unfortunately this doesn't work for everything. You're mainly looking at small chips, bullseye cracks, spider webs, star-shaped ones, and half-moon crescents. I unfortunately had a half-moon crescent, so this was something I wanted to tackle. So in the kit you get a 1 gram bottle of repair resin, the repair device itself, which is a very simple mechanism suction tool, curing strips, a sleeved razor blade, and your basic instruction manual. Now it is best to get this done on a sunny day and have the car's windshield facing the sun when you're doing this, as the serum repairs better when using UV. So to start off with, you're going to want to grab your razor blade and hack away gently at any remaining shards that might be sticking out. Do a couple of passovers to ensure there's nothing left. Place the device over the crack. You'll want to get the hole almost perfectly over the crack. The suction pads are very easy to maneuver, so this shouldn't take too long. To get a better look, I've stuck a sticky note so you can actually see the crack itself. And to ensure it's level, I'd suggest just going inside the car and just checking if it centers up. Once you know for sure, screw in this part so that it's touching the windshield. Get it on there tightly. Once again, you'll just want to make sure everything's lined up. Now here comes the easy part. Just simply pop a few drops, I'd suggest 3 to 4, and it is dependent on the size of the crack. Now add the other mechanism and tighten it all the way. This will force the resin into the crack. If you see some coming out of the sides, you may need to tighten it up further. I'd suggest leaving this for about 10 to 20 minutes. It says 3 to 4, but if you want it done properly, it's best to leave it a little longer. Now after 10 minutes, remove the tightening part. This will release any air bubbles. And then just tighten it back up again and just leave for 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, untighten once again and remove the device completely. Once the device is removed, you'll notice there will be some slight surface crack left. This was because the first part was to ensure we structurally made it better, with the resin forcing itself into the center of the crack. If at this stage you're not happy, just repeat the first step and force some more resin into the crack. If you're ready to move on, add a little drop onto the surface of the crack and place over a curing sheet. This will begin the process of fixing that top layer laminate off the glass. Leave this for another 10 to 20 minutes. After this, remove the curing strip and grab your razor blade once again. Scratch away at the excess resin left. This may take a while depending on how generous you were at stage 1. This may take a couple of times to get this perfect, so if you aren't happy with the surface crack left, just add another piece and put another curing sheet on. I was quite lucky and found one go on each process was enough, and the crack from before to after was really good. I really couldn't fault it. You'll find a featured product link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.